advanced pre-algebra is the first unit, lesson 3, converting between fractions, decimals, and percent. This really should be a review for you. Homework that goes with this is page 7 in your homework packet. The test on this unit in 2016 is Wednesday, 9/14. If it's a different year, you'll need to check in class. Don't forget about your con 30 minutes by Sunday night. All right. We are going to jump right in to be converting between fractions, decimals, and percent. This is page 8 in your note packet. I'm not going to sit here and read all of these things, but you can take a look at these and remind yourself how to convert between a fraction, a decimal, and a percent. Let's do some examples. Now, 3/8. If you're going from a fraction to a decimal, what you need to do is set up a long division problem, unless, of course, you know it mental math. A lot of you will probably know that this is 37.5% by mental math. But if you don't, this is 3 divided by 8. Look, the numerator goes in the box. Put a decimal, add a bunch of zeros. 8 goes into 30. 3 times, that's 24. Subtract, you get 6, bring down a 0. 8 goes into 60. 7 times. 8 times 6 is 56. Subtract, that's a 6. You get 4, bring down a 0. 8 goes into 40. 5 times, that's 40. It terminates. So, 0.375. Now, how do you change from a decimal to a percent? I like to say this. I think everybody in here should know that 25% is the same as 0.25. So, from a decimal to a percent, you move your decimal 2 places to the right. From a percent to a decimal, you go the other way, 2 places to the left. So, if I move this 2 places to the right, 37.5%. All right, 9/15. The first thing I would do is reduce this. 3/5. Why reduce? Because it's easier. 3/5 is 6/10. As a decimal, that's 6/10. Mental math. If you don't know that, 3 divided by 5. For the decimal, 5 goes into 30 6 times. What is that as a percent? Move it 2 to the right, 60%. This problem, kind of silly, 6/10. Move it 2 to the right, 60%. Now, this is the trick. To go from a decimal to a percent, or a decimal to a fraction. This is 6/10. That's 6/10. 6/10, which is 3/5. If you have a percent and you want to go directly to a fraction, every percent in the world is out of 100. So 40% is the same as 40 over 100, which is 2/5. Move this decimal 2 places to the left, 4/10, 0.4. All right. Percent. Always compare numbers to 100. Always. Percents can be bigger than 100, but also less than 1%. Consider this. 1.2 is a percent. If I move it 2 to the right, 1, 2, I get 120%. Like this as a percent. I move it 2 to the right, 1, 2, I get 2/10 of a percent. Write 0.9 as a percent, move it 2 to the right, 90%. All right. If I ask you to order numbers that are all in different forms, decimals, fractions, percents, whole numbers, which is the same as a decimal, I would write them all as decimals. So, 34% is 0.34. 0.38 is already a decimal. 1/4 is a quarter, so 0.25, and 2 is a decimal. Now, order them from least to greatest. What's the smallest? 0.25, which is 1/4. Then 34%. Then 3/800. Then 2. The key is getting them all in the same